guide you to see who subscribed to you on YouTube. For that, firstly, let's open YouTube. From there, you need to tap on your profile and make sure you have signed into your correct YouTube account. Let's say if you haven't done that, if you haven't done that, you need to tap on switch account. From there, you can switch to your correct YouTube account. After that, you need to tap on YouTube Studio here and it will take you to the page where you could see all your subscribers or even the recent subscribers. Let's say I haven't had any subscribers yet. Now, if you have any of the subscribers, it will give you the count here and it will show you how many subscribers you had on your channel. Let's say if you had any recent subscribers, if we scroll down like this, here you could find below the channel analytics, you could find the recent subscribers here. And if you tap on that, there you could see the people who subscribed you recently and the information of that. This is how you could see subscribers on YouTube. Thank you.